Now I wanna show in this video how talented Muhammad is. Muhammad, listen. Can you play Mein Herr Marquis?
Yeah.
How do you start it? Yeah. Sorry to interrupt you, but can you start it like this? No, listen to your mom. Can you start it like this? He says no. نثبت نثبته هيك. You have to come
No, it's
closer.
gonna duck. It's gonna.
But I insist. Okay, Muhammad, I insist. Can you play? Because I want to know. No, La Shalakio Pianga later. Because I want to know if you can play this. Yeah.
No, yeah, but Pina can.
Okay. ما بتطلعك من ما شاء الله.
Mama,
Can you look at me and play O mio bambino caro? He doesn't even look at the keys. Si, ci voglio andare. Oh mio bambino caro. Mi struggo. Finish. Mi andare in porta. Lascia che io pianga. Because you've been wanting to play it all day long. You love Lascia che io pianga. La libertà. بالعربي اتركني.
Uncle Fu.
ام كلثوم. You know this by heart. Mohammed, I need to go. I know that you know how to play it, but I just wanted to know if you can play. Listen to your mom. How do you start Mein Herr Marquis من أوبرا الوطواط Please, please, if you do it, I'll give you something so nice. I'll give you. هيك. يلا. Bingo. Oh, that's Uncle. I need to go check on Tonina tomorrow. Keep playing if you want. Adios, حمودة. Adios.